Hey, it's Monkchips in 3 minutes. Good to see you. It's been too long. So what have I been up to? Oh, I've been so busy. Things to tell you about is recently ran my Monki Gras conference. The theme this year was packaging. Packaging for convenience. Convenience is the killer app. So think about how and why you get people to use your services, whether for developers or end users. It's got to be all about convenience. And so I had a conference that was basically all about that kind of themes. We had people talking about open source code. We had people talking about packaging beer. We had people talking about language and how it defines the sort of experiences we have. I think the videos are really great. I think the talks are really good. And we'll be dropping them this week. So look out for those videos. They're going to be wicked. What else was I up to? Well, last week I went to San Francisco. Very, very cloudy San Francisco was. She spent a day with Salesforce. Their platform is building out nicely. Salesforce obviously came from an application background, but they bought Heroku and they're really moving forward into this platform space. There are more and more layers to that burger. You've got the machine learning layer, much more integration, and they're trying to pull it all together and make it more programmable so that you can extend the core platform. We also spent some time with Google, and I think that's interesting because clearly Google, historically at least, have been very much, we're going to build this awesome platform and people are going to use it. The fact that they were there talking to RedMonk, trying to take a different approach. There's a new guy there, Sam Ramji. He's going to be driving some significant change in terms of product management, in terms of developer relations, and I'm actually really excited to see what happens with Google Cloud Platform. In fact, in a couple of weeks, I'll be out in San Francisco again at their conference to find out more. We also spent some time with Pivotal. So Pivotal Labs, Cloud Foundry, building, again, another cloud platform. I think what was interesting there is you've got James Waters, tremendously opinionated, and one of the key takeaways is he's definitely, whilst everyone else in Silicon Valley is like, private cloud is dead, James is like, you can run it where you want. Run it on VMware, run it on-prem, run it wherever, it's no problem. So choose your programming language. Obviously from Pivotal's perspective, it's leading with Spring and Spring Boot, so Java. But overall, it was 3 days, pretty exciting, all about the cloud. One thing that we came away with, and I think it was not something we necessarily had in mind when we got to San Francisco, concerns the questions about diversity. One thing we kept noticing in office after office is actually for all the sort of the problems in our industry and the work we need to do, it is really good to see that some of these companies are working really hard to improve the diversity. At Pivotal, it was really obvious. Really good range of different kinds of people working at that company, so well done. So anyway, you've got to subscribe to us, subscribe to our tech channel, subscribe to all our channels. You want to follow us on Twitter, you want to follow us on social. We're all out there and look forward to this.